In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix a blurry text on a second monitor in Windows. If the text on your second monitor looking blurry, fuzzy, or difficult to read, the good news is that this issue is usually caused by incorrect display settings, scaling problems, resolution mismatches, or outdated graphics driver, and most fixes only takes a few minutes. But before you make any fixes, you might want to check your monitor's native resolution because the most common cause of blurry text is using the wrong screen resolution. So here's how to check. Right click on your desktop, click display settings, scroll down to display resolution and select your second monitor from the display diagram. Now choose the resolution marked recommended because Windows automatically labels your monitor's native resolution as recommended. For example, if you are using a 1080p monitor, the recommended resolution is going to be 1920 by 1080. For 140 monitor, that's going to be 2560 by 1440. And for the 4K monitor, that's going to be around 3840 by 2160. After applying the correct resolution, check whether the text reappears. If it appears sharper, and restart your computer. Now, another option that you can look into is adjusting the display scaling. Incorrect scaling can make text appear blurry even when the resolution is correct. Now, to change the scaling, open the display settings, select your second monitor, find scale and layout, and set the scaling to one of the recommended options like 100%, 125%, 150%, 175, and avoid using custom scaling values unless absolutely necessary. Once you've changed the scaling, sign out and back into Windows if prompted. And then my favorite is going to be enabling the ClearType text. Windows includes a built-in optimization tool called ClearType. Now to enable it, press the window keys, search for the adjust ClearType text, open the tool, make sure turn on ClearType is checked. Follow the on-screen calibration wizard, select the text samples that look best to you. Please take note this feature can significantly improve text clarity on both LCD and LED monitors. And then, I want you to check the refresh rate settings. Sometimes Windows may assign an incorrect refresh rate to the second monitor. To verify, open display settings. Click Advanced Display, select the second monitor, and then confirm the refresh rate matches your monitor specification. Common refresh rates include 60 Hz, 75 Hz, 120, 144, and 165. While refresh rate mainly affects motion smoothness, incorrect settings can occasionally contribute to display quality issues. And then, another thing that is very important is to check the HDMI or DisplayPort cables. Please remember, a damaged or low quality cable can sometimes cause display issues. Try reconnecting the cable, use a different HDMI cable, switching to DisplayPort if available, and testing another port on your graphics card. If the text becomes sharper after changing cables, the original cable may be faulty. And last is gonna be, you might want to make sure to update the graphics driver. Outdated graphics driver can cause display rendering problems. For NVIDIA users, go to the NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience, check for driver updates, install the latest version. You can do the same thing with AMD users and for Intel users. After updating, restart your computer to check if that works. Remember that whenever you check any of these solutions, will restore sharp, crystal clear text and make your dual monitor setup much more comfortable to use. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.